Hi, today we'll be replacing a battery. As you can see, the Ted Baker watch doesn't move, so needs a new battery. It's a little tricky since it's hard to pop up this cover. So you can use utility knife or just kitchen knife to pop up the bottom, and I use the gloves in a case so I won't cut myself. So just put it in here and slide it underneath, and this thing should, just be careful, this thing should pop up easily because the knife is strong. And it's done, its bottom is removed. Then we have a battery here. I have some spare battery, alkaline 377, actually original is SR626SW. You need a small screwdriver. And so now we have to put back this cover, and it has two grooves, as you can see here. This is where the shaft comes and the button at top. So then we need to apply pressure to close the lid. I use this one stick. You need something soft under the watch so it won't get damaged. Yep, now it's closed. So now just need to adjust the time. And 45. And first is so if you take out this knob, this one, yeah, now you can adjust the date. Yeah, today is 30th January. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just be careful with the utility knife, or you can pop up open, but you can put on top of these two knobs, so it's easier. And use some protection, and otherwise it's easy to change the battery. You just need one small screwdriver, one rod to close it, one utility knife, and new batteries. SR626SW. Thanks for watching.